Introducing the latest addition to the WorkForce Enterprise series, Epson's very first mid-range A3 color line inkjet printers. Designed to meet the printing needs of a mid-sized office, with print speeds of up to 60 pages per minute. Using Epson's proprietary PrecisionCore heat-free technology, the printer's unique ink ejection system does not use heat during the printing process. Since there is no fuser unit to heat, energy consumption can be significantly reduced by up to 85%, making it an environmentally viable option for businesses. The new innovation for the C-path paper route results in a simpler mechanism, making the printer more compact in size, increasing reliability, and leading to smoother operation with reduced downtime caused by paper jams. The printer's user-friendly and intuitive graphic user interface includes a 10.1-inch tiltable color touchscreen for easy control. With full frontal operation, you can enjoy convenient and easy access for ink cartridges and maintenance box replacements. In addition, there is a wide right side only access for easy clearing of paper jams. Boost print productivity in office with high-capacity Duo-Bright Pro inks, minimizing ink cartridge replacements and machine downtime. To fully maximize productivity in the office, you can consider adding staple finisher and saddle unit options to automate various manual operations and finishing solutions. Alternatively, for a more compact option, an inner finisher is also available. The wide selection of finishing options makes the all-new printer lineup a great scalable solution to meet varying business requirements. Level up with Epson Solution Suite, where businesses can choose from Epson's wide range of software solutions and integrate seamlessly with their existing IT infrastructures to improve productivity and increase efficiency while being eco-conscious. Make the switch to Epson heat-free technology with the Epson WorkForce Enterprise printers today.